Instructions for this are sewn into the bag that it comes in, by the way, so don't lose that. It'll help you in case you forget how to do this. Anyways, the first step that you want to do is fold. Well, first of all, make sure that the door is open. And I like to leave part of the top open as well. It's going to help let air escape as I'm closing this and putting it away. But what you want to do is bring the top parts together and you fold them in to meet at the middle. Do the same with the bottoms. Just fold them all in right to the middle. All right, once you get it here, I like to make sure that this elastic band is out so that I can make it easier to put it away. Put it on the side. Make sure you're still grabbing, got a good hold in the middle. Grab the end and pull it towards your other hand, but down at the same time. And once you get it down to a certain point, it's going to want to fold in. That's kind of like a figure eight. Allow it to do that. That's going to help fold this together. All right, there you go. Now it's ready to be put back into the bag. All right, and there you guys go. That's it. Go and zip it back together, and it's ready to go for another trip.